Let's record a script in View Generator 2. Log in Mercury Tools, book a flight, view the itinerary, and sign off from the application. To start Load Runner, choose Start, All Programs, Mercury Load Runner, click Load Runner. In the launcher window, click Create and Edit Scripts to launch View Generator. Under the Scripts tab, you see two options: to create a new virtual script or to open an existing virtual user script. Click New View User Script. The New Virtual User dialog box opens. Here you have an option to create a single protocol script or a multiple protocol script. Just for a background, a protocol is the language that your client uses to communicate with the backend of the system, that is nothing but the server. If you create a multiple protocol script, you can record multiple protocols in a single script itself. For a learning purpose, we will stick to a single protocol script and select the web protocol since the Mercury Tools is a web application. Click OK. The ViewGen Wizard mode opens. On the top you see the toolbars. On the left hand side there is a task pane. In the middle it's an instruction pane. The ViewGen Wizard takes you through a step-by-step process of creating a script and then adapting it to your test environment. The task pane will list each step or task in the script creation process. As you proceed through each step, ViewGen displays detailed instructions and guidelines in the main area of the window, that is nothing but the instructions. Now after the introduction, let's move ahead and record a business process. We'll track and record the events of one passenger reserving a flight from Denver to Los Angeles, then clicking the flight itinerary before finally logging off from the application. To start recording, click Record Application in the task pane and then click Start Recording from the instruction pane. Alternatively, you can also click Start Recording from the Tools menu bar or from the File menu, VUser, Start Recording. The Start Recording dialog box opens. Here in the URL you can mention the web address of the site under test. Also, you have an option to choose the action where you want to record the events. Click on Options. In the script node under the journal section, you have an option to choose the scripting language. Since we are using a demo version, the only language available is C, otherwise you have C++, Java and so on. The protocol node gives you the various protocols to be recorded. Under the network section, the port mapping node gives you the port mapping. This option is available while recording multiple protocol scripts. Say for example you have a network traffic coming in from multiple protocols like HTTP, SMTP, POP3, FTP, and you want to record traffic from a single protocol, say HTTP, so you use port mapping. The recording node gives you the various recording options: HTML based script or a URL based script. The HTML based script gives you steps generated for each HTML user action. The URL based script captures all requests sent from browser due to URL action. It is not as intuitive as HTML based script and is recommended only while recording pages such as applets or non-browser applications. The advanced node gives you the various advanced protocol related settings. Let's stick to the default. The correlation node gives you the various correlation related settings. Click OK. In the start recording dialog box, click OK to start recording. The floating toolbar gives you many options like stopping, pausing, recording, transactions, and so on. Log in the Mercari2's website. Enter username Nick and a valid password. Click login. Click the flights button. The departure city is Denver, default. Select the arrival city as Los Angeles. Select the seating preference as aisle. Rest of the settings being default, click continue. Select the flight at 1 p.m. The payment information is pulled up from my registration data. Enter credit card number and an expiry date. Please do not get excited about this is not my valid card information. Click continue. An invoice appears stating the booking is done. Check the itinerary. Click on the itinerary button. In the itinerary section, the booking done is reflected. Click sign off to sign up from the application. Our business process is recorded. Click stop in the floating toolbar to stop recording. This is the code generation pop-up window which will generate the code for us. If you observe, the ViewGen wizard has automatically proceeded to the next step in the recording pane. It is showing a recording summary in the task pane. The recording summary includes the protocol information and a list of actions recorded. For each step performed during recording, ViewGen has generated a snapshot, a picture window during recording. Thumbnails of the recorded snapshots are displayed in the right pane. Now, let's save the script as demo1. Now, we have recorded a travel agent logging in, booking a flight, seeing the itinerary, and finally logging off from the application. What ViewGenerator has done is recorded all the events done from the moment start button is clicked till the stop button is clicked. Now if the need arises and if you want to see the recorded script, there are two ways: to view the script in the script view and to view the script in the tree view. The tree view is an icon based view that lists the actions of the view users as steps. Script view is a text based view that lists the actions of the view users as functions. So first, the tree view. To view the tree view, you can go to View, select Tree View. Alternatively, you can directly click the tree view icon in the toolbar. In the tree view, for each step performed during recording, an icon and a title appears in the tree. Not only that, in the right hand side you see a snapshot of the action performed. Along with that, you have the client request and the server response recorded. Now the advantage here is that the snapshots make the script easier to understand and easier to share between engineers because you can exactly see which screen was recording during recording. Now let's look at the script view. As you are aware, the script view is a text-based view that lists the actions of the view users as API functions. To see the script view, click View, Script View. Alternatively, you can select the script view icon from the toolbar. In the script view, you see the script in editor, which is color coded. You have an option to type C or load other API functions as well as control flow statements directly into the window. So that's how recording takes place in Vue Generator.